I don't even want to post this. I'm just not ready yet. But it is Sunday, October 29th. And here in Elizabeth, Colorado, we got a foot of snow. Started yesterday on Saturday. I plowed the driveway last night-ish. We got probably 4 to 6 inches since. But yeah, we got dumped on. So, it is definitely still stump season. I have stumps tomorrow. I have stumps all week. But right now, I know chickens. Right now we gotta deal with snow. So I'm gonna push off my area, dig out the trailer, turn around, road or driveway, and then probably do a bit of the road because I do not have my new tires on the truck yet. And that means it's gonna be a little slick. It's only gonna be, I think, 20 something today. They're saying 6 degrees tonight. Yeah, so we got this going on. I went out last night. Yesterday was our community trick-or-treat event. So we went trick-or-treating. Usually I take my truck and trailer, and we have all the people riding on the trailer because the neighborhood's pretty spread out, so it's hard to walk. So we pull trailers with everyone on it, and you stop at all the houses, and it's a really fun event. But yesterday we just took the wife's whip, just the 3 of us, because it was cold and super snowy. So I'm going to push some snow. I'll bring you guys with me. Not a video I wanted to make this early in the season, but it's all right. It's going to be 60s all weekend. It'll melt, and hopefully all of it goes away. We'll see you guys in a bit. Man, what a day. It's cold. It's still 22, I think 6 tonight. So I spent the afternoon getting the trailer clear of snow, and the machine's clear. I have a job at Denver Botanic Gardens tomorrow, and they're open, so I need to be in and out before they open. So I'm going to try and get there around 7. I don't know what time to start this machine. 6. They're saying, last I checked, it was 6 degrees tonight. It's that's cold. And the stump grinder, luckily it's just the Vermeer, not the Bandit. I don't know what the Bandit would do, but I got to start the Vermeer pretty early. So tomorrow's going to be a scene. And then I'm supposed to do a locust grind for replant in Aurora. That'll probably be in the afternoon. And then I have a Denver job also. So should be an early start tomorrow. Hopefully. Early, hopeful start. But yeah, quite the Sunday. A lot of snow. Pushed my house, pushed all the neighbors on this street. Did the road. Just trying to get everything ready. And I'm hoping it melts, because I'm not in the mood to see this for the next couple of weeks until the next one comes. But that's my Sunday. Hope you guys had a warm Sunday with leaves and fall stuff, not snow and winter stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.